Today I'm going to teach you how to unlock all CapCut Pro features and export without watermark for free, no payment. So let's start. So now select all your layers and features used at once. Ctrl plus A. You need to select all because you see you cannot export anything and you can do anything. So select all your layers and right click, then place create compound clip. After create compound clip, you need to wait until here, then right click, place pre-process compound clip, then wait until these percentages reach on 100%. After getting 100%, I will show you what next. I shall now export my video for free without watermark, without payment, and no payment for any block features. So now once you have processed your video or your layers at once, you need to keep your this ID and then close. Then remember this ID of your project or your number here in the left corner. Then go at the setting of your CapCut at the corner of right. Yes, then go to the settings. Then you see the save to draft. Then copy that path. Then that path, after copy in your window explorer, local disk C, go to the local disk C and then paste your path here. Then choose your project name, your ID, then resources, combinations, that this is our videos exported without watermark. Yeah. Now you can print your videos without any watermark. Did you see? This video helped you? Please support my channel, like, comment, share, subscribe for more tech tutorials and videos. Bye bye. God bless you, and I wish you money from your wishes. Thank you. Bye bye.